I got the auto rotisserie hooked up to the Willys or Ford GPW body. Made some plates that went into the existing firewall. Welded angle iron to it and welded the angle iron to the rotisserie. It can go up an easy foot and a half, it looks like, which will be more than enough to clear it to rotate it completely over, so I can repair the floor and the dash with the replacement floor, and I have that other dash that came off another Ford. Use the Lincoln GTX out here with some 6011 to weld the brackets on. Came out pretty well. So eventually we'll get this thing finished. The sandblaster we got works fine. Don't know if you can see it, but it's got a Willys or the Ford GPW fender inside. I gotta do a little bit more with the air compressor. I lost a filter or air separator, air water separator. So I gotta get more of that together. But as far as the test run, that worked out really well. So I'll be able to do the two fenders and the grill in there and see what it needs after that point. So we're moving in the right direction. Slower than I'd really like, but it's been 105, 115. This is another project I picked up, which I kind of like. I think it's going to be a two-wheel drive hot rod. It just looks cool. Fenders, stainless steel grills, little tire carrier. The grill is hideous. I don't know if you can see that, but I would be using the stock CJ2A type grill. I have that frame on a 52 Willys, if I recall correctly. Tape work and all. The body looks like crap, so I might move that to my stainless steel and just clean up the frame. Also have a M38 A1 frame right there. So it really just depends on what I end up deciding to do. Well, we're moving in the right direction. Supervisor Mussolini here. Hi, buddy. Moose. Hi, buddy.